What is up, guys? We're back here at the original laundromat. That's, I guess, started. I'm not even gonna say that started at all. But I'm here to do a bearing job on this. I've been needing to do it for about 2 months now. Finally got the time. I got about an hour's worth of time that I'm gonna dedicate to it. Shouldn't be too long. The bearing's actually locked up in this one where it's set so long. So I think that might be a help to getting everything broke loose. Let's see here. What I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to do this bearing job in 45 minutes. I've got all my tools laid out. I'm going to start the timer as soon as I pull that first screw. Actually, I'm going to start the timer before I pull that first screw out. I'm going to record everything off of that camera right there. I'm going to post up a little time lapse. I've got my sockets, my extensions, my ratchets in here. I've got my 2-pound sledgehammer. I got this is what I use to take the flange nut off, breaker bar, silicone, bearing kit, other hammer, all my other tools, drill and drivers, and my service keys. Last time I had to press in a bearing, it took me 1 hour and 5 minutes on that machine. So I'm shooting for 20 minutes quicker. I think this machine's gonna be a little rusted. This is one of the ones I got from Georgia. Seemed like they let them sit outside for a little bit. So I'll probably have some rush issues to deal with, but we'll see. We're going to go ahead and get started on this. Wish me luck. I'll catch you at the end. Alrighty. Official time on that was 57:19. I've not cleaned up yet, so I don't count that. I just wanted, the machine time. So working on this machine might seem familiar to you, because it sure did to me. I kept thinking, I've worked on this before. I think I just did a bearing job on this. Wonder what happened. Well, I tore into it. It come apart really easy. No rust like I suspected, but I recently had this thing apart. It wasn't until I started putting it back together. Well, I seen where it failed. It failed in the bale. But it didn't dawn on me until I was putting it back together. I guess what happened, the only thing I can figure is last time when I had my kit, I didn't have a bale seal. So it didn't have a bale seal on it. It had, I'll show you what it had. It had the black bale seal on the top of it, but it did not have the seal that goes on the bottom of the bale. So, that's what happens. I botched a repair. It cost me $100 and some downtime on a machine. You're gonna have that. People make mistakes. I'm just trying to give you the real view into the laundromat, and especially repairing the laundromat yourself. You're gonna make mistakes. I blew up boards before. I've done all kinds of stuff and messed stuff up. But that's part of life, and that's how it goes. Isn't no big deal, but I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaned up. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't, packed full of content, but that's what you get. That's all I got for now anyways. I'm sorry. But I'm gonna get cleaned up. I'm gonna do my change, and then I'm gonna go home. Y'all have a good one.